Chirashi-sushi is simple and delicious. This time, Take-san will make Chirashi-sushi. In Japan, March 3rd is Hina-matsuri, the girls' festival. Hina-matsuri is an event to wish for the healthy growth of girls. It is celebrated with Chirashi-sushi, clam soup, Hina Arare, etc.
Oh. It's exciting.
Chirashi-sushi is easy to make because it does not need to be held or rolled. It can also be used for parties. Try making it with family, friends, or alone. If Take-san can do it, anyone can do it. It is easier than you think and tastes excellent. I hope you will try making it.
Wow!
Thank you very much for your watching.